Effective Strategies to Manage Stress in a Corporate Environment, Part 1, Anchoring. This week we'll explore multiple ways to manage stress using NeuroLinguistic Programming, the same magic Tony Robbins uses. But first, did you know, according to a Harvard Business School study in 2015, 96% of senior leaders reported feeling somewhat or significantly burned out, and that was pre-pandemic. 96%. So let's get to stress busting. Invest 3 minutes for this exercise to relax and refresh. First, start by breathing deeply and slowly, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth slowly. With each exhale, make it longer than the last time. Repeat this at least 9 times or until you feel more relaxed and centered. Next, press your index finger and your thumb firmly together on your non-dominant hand. This creates an anchor. And the next time stress hits, use this anchor to recall your calm state with deeper and fuller breaths and bring back that relaxed and refreshed state of being. Stick with me to learn more stress-busting strategies and click the button to follow for more. Cheers to your well-being.